Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Science Kits is probably one of the most effective ways to nurture your child's curiosity and spark a lifelong love for science, offering a blend of fun, education, and hands-on learning that caters to the specific developmental stage of 8 to 12-year-olds, transforming complex scientific concepts into engaging and manageable experiments, thereby making learning an enjoyable adventure. Number 5. National Geographic Break Open Geodes. Get ready for an exciting adventure. Break open these geodes and discover the amazing crystals hidden inside. It's like finding hidden treasure. Each geode is unique, offering a wide variety of crystals. You never know what colorful surprises you'll find. These aren't just any rocks, they're real, natural geodes. Some are as big as tennis balls, others as small as ping pong balls. What will you find? It's more than just breaking rocks. The included learning guide teaches you all about how geodes are formed. It's a fun and educational experience. Everything you need is included: 10 premium geodes, safety goggles, and even display stands to show off your amazing finds. It's a fantastic gift for kids who love science and discovery. This kit combines fun, learning, and excitement into one awesome package. What we like. It contains real geodes with various crystals inside, promising an exciting discovery experience. The included learning guide enhances educational value. If you're looking for a hands-on geology experience with educational value, this is a great option for curious young minds. What people say. The instructions and 10 geodes were wonderful. We've opened 2 so far, one a regular geode, and one basically a rock. The kit included everything needed for a fantastic rock-breaking adventure: for rocks to smash and/or chisel, clear instructions, protective glasses, and a magnifying glass to examine the treasures within. We were thrilled to discover 3 amazing geodes, each with beautiful, sparkling crystals inside. The crystals inside were great, mainly clear in color, but did have 1 or 2 with some blackish-colored crystals. There were 6 or 7 good-sized geodes. Number 4. Blue Marble Rock Collection Box. It's more than just a kit, it's an adventure into the Earth's wonders. Over 300 genuine rock, mineral, and crystal specimens from around the globe are waiting to be discovered. Crack open the geodes and uncover dazzling crystal interiors. It's a hands-on geology experience you won't forget. Learn to identify amethyst, pyrite, and more with the full-color learning guide and magnifying glass. It's educational and fun. This collection is bursting with variety. From amethyst to tiger's eye, you'll find a world of geological treasures inside. Keep your collection safe and organized in the included storage bag. Use the magnifying glass to examine each specimen up close. It's from Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy Association's Toy of the Year award. We're committed to fostering education, imagination, and creativity. What we like. This kit boasts a massive collection of rocks, minerals, and crystals, perfect for budding geologists. The addition of geodes and a learning guide makes it a comprehensive learning tool. If your child is passionate about rocks and minerals, this expansive collection will provide hours of exploration and learning. What people say. The National Geographic Rock Collection Box is a fantastic educational toy for young rock enthusiasts. This set includes a diverse collection of over 300 gemstones, crystals, and fossils, providing a hands-on learning experience. The included specimens are genuine and well-preserved, offering a real-world connection to Earth's history. Cracking open geodes and discovering crystal formations is a fun and exciting activity for kids. The accompanying guide provides detailed information about each specimen, making it easy for children to learn and identify different rocks and minerals. Number 3. 4M Crystal Growing Kit. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of crystals. This kit has everything you need for 7 amazing experiments. It includes all the materials you'll need. Just add hot water. Distilled water is recommended for best results. Follow the easy-to-understand instructions and watch as your crystals grow. It's a captivating process. Once your crystals are fully grown, proudly display them in the included special case. They're beautiful. This kit is perfect for budding geologists and science enthusiasts. It's a fun and educational experience. Recommended for ages 10 and up. It's a great way to spark curiosity and inspire a love of science. Challenge your child's imagination and encourage their love of learning with 4M toys and kits. It's more than just a toy, it's an adventure. What we like. It offers 7 different crystal growing experiments, fostering scientific curiosity and observation skills. The included display cases add to the fun of showcasing the results. If your child enjoys hands-on science experiments and likes to see the results of their work, this kit is a perfect choice. What people say. The kit is easy to follow, and the crystals turned out beautifully. The steps are simple enough. I was able to grow these in my office with ease. All you need is boiling water and the rest is provided in the kit. Everything was properly arranged and correctly labeled, and it was delivered in a well-packaged state. In my opinion, the fact that this kit included everything that was required to begin growing crystals immediately was one of the most compelling selling points about it. Number 2. National Geographic Mega Crystal Growing Kit. Get ready for a dazzling science adventure. This kit lets you grow 6 vibrant crystals in just days. Grow red, green, blue, purple, yellow, and even glow-in-the-dark crystals. It's crystal chemistry that's fast, fun, and colorful. Growing your crystals is a breeze. The easy-to-follow instructions and 2 silicone chambers make it simple. You can even leave the seed rocks in your crystals. Show off your beautiful creations. The kit includes a light-up display to showcase your 5 favorite homegrown crystals. It's more than just growing crystals, it's a learning experience. The kit comes with 4 real gemstone specimens and a STEM learning guide. This kit is a fantastic way to start a rock collection and learn about crystal formation. It's educational and fun. We're confident you'll love this kit. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like. Grow 6 vibrant crystals in various colors, including a glow-in-the-dark one. The light-up display adds a touch of magic to the experience. If your child loves bright colors and enjoys displaying their creations, this kit is sure to be a hit. What people say. My 5-year-old son and I had so much fun making these crystals. It's a good value and easy to use, and cleanup was a breeze. So far we have only made 2, but they turned out great. I did the tip about covering it for 24 hours on the first day. I think it helped. Great kit, and the crystals that grew in the silicone cups came out nicer than the ones in my glass cups. Number 1. National Geographic Magic Chemistry Set. Get ready for 10 amazing science experiments that will blow your mind. You'll learn how to make a coin float, change watercolors, and even make snow appear, right before your eyes. Each experiment is designed as a magic trick. With the included wand and gloves, your child will look and feel like a real magician. It's educational fun for everyone. It's not just magic, it's science. The guide explains the science behind each trick, teaching valuable scientific concepts in an engaging way. Everything is provided for each experiment. No need to search for extra supplies, just open the box and start the fun. We are committed to providing the highest quality educational toys. If you have any issues, we're here to help and make things right. What we like. It combines science and magic, making learning fun and engaging. The experiments are designed as magic tricks, adding an element of surprise and wonder. If you're looking for a unique way to introduce science concepts to your child, this kit is a fantastic choice. What people say. The National Geographic Magic Chemistry Set is an absolute gem of a science kit, delivering an enchanting blend of education and entertainment that captivates young minds. With 10 amazing magic tricks included in the set, kids are sure to be amazed and delighted as they learn the science behind each illusion. From disappearing ink to color-changing liquids, each trick is not only mesmerizing but also serves as a hands-on lesson in chemistry and physics. But it's not just about the tricks. This set also includes STEM projects and science experiments that further enhance children's understanding of scientific principles. From creating bubbling potions to exploring the secrets of chromatography, kids can unleash their curiosity and creativity as they delve into the fascinating world of chemistry. The quality of the materials and instructions provided in this set is exceptional. The kit comes with everything needed to perform each experiment and trick, making it easy for kids to dive right in and start exploring. This set has 10 tricks to learn, and they are also learning science in an entertaining way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.